Most people think police officers only handle major crimes, but sometimes, their most important mission is saving a tiny life. In this video, police Garlight officer saves puppy stuck in fence. Blue Heart paw prints. Early this morning, March 28th. Southeast officers were. A terrified little puppy gets its head completely wedged under a metal gate. He's stuck, scared, and unable to move. But watch how gently this officer works. He doesn't rush, carefully maneuvering the puppy's ears so the sharp metal doesn't hurt him. And just like that, freedom! The pure relief on that dog's face says it all as he goes straight from being trapped to getting cuddles from the Fresno Police Department. It's proof that no act of kindness is ever too small.